Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as a owner of a Google partner company, and we provide different solutions ranging from Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, digital marketing services, so much, even web development as well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 crucial elements while running your Google Ads campaign. For those who don't know, I got my first SEO certificate back in 2005, and today is 2023 and the 29th May. So around about 18 years of online industry, and got my first AdWords certification in 2011, and it's 2023. So again, 11 plus 11 is 22, so 12 years of experience with Google Ads specifically, but I was working in SEO as well, so I know a bit as well before. So here, without wasting any time, I want you to subscribe to my channel, and let's move on to the 3 crucial points which are actually necessary to generate good results with the Google Ads. So let's get started. So my opinion, I've been saying it as well, because the Google platform works with a quality score, and to optimize the quality score, these 3 elements is going to help, and that is relevancy. Number 1 is relevancy. Okay, you may ask on what is the meaning of relevancy. Here I'm going to say the shortest form is relevant landing page with relevant ad with relevant keyword is going to be a successful strategy. Now you may be wondering, like, this is everyone, but what people do is, because people assume that the bundle of keywords are relevant to the same ad or the same landing page, and here I want to tell you that the intent is very important. The second most important thing is that understand the intent. Okay, intent means what user is thinking while clicking on while searching for a specific query. For instance, you assume that, for instance, if there is if you are selling iPhone and there are 2 keywords, who people are going to search on Google: buy iPhone deals. Okay, now in both 2 keywords, the consumer wants to buy the iPhone, but the problem is that the intent is different. You have to understand the intent is what actually user thinking while searching for a specific query. For instance, when he is searching for buy iPhone, it means that he wants to buy iPhone, but when he is searching for iPhone deals, it means that he also wants to buy iPhone, but he is looking for a bargain, he is looking for a deal. He is more price conscious than the user who searched for the buy iPhone, because in this query he feels like he's tight on a budget. He's looking for a freebie or an exclusive deal. So understand the impact. Also, this user may also be attentive to a deal, but this user is more concerned regarding the deal than the first user. Now there can be other queries as well: iPhone discounts, purchase iPhone, buy iPhone in California. Understand the intent. Now if there is an other keyword, like it can be another keyword, iPhone, I want to buy iPhone near me, good shops. Okay, now it means that for this you have to work on local SEO and local service ads with Google Ads to try to target for those people who are looking for near me area. So now this should be put in another campaign with local service ads. You have to differentiate between each keyword. So this is the second most important thing with success in Google. First is relevancy, relevant landing page with relevant ad with relevant keyword. That is the perfect buying formula. The second is understand the intent, and number 3rd is, and that is the algorithm, and that is the quality score. Okay, work with it. Higher the quality score, lower you have to pay for the same ad position. For instance, let me tell you. For instance, if there is an ad position as 1, okay, and you are paying $1 for each click on that position, and now in 1 hour you are getting 5 clicks, so it means that you are paying $5 for 5 clicks. So in other words, that ad position for a specific query is available for $5. Now if you are going to pay more than $5 for the same, only then your ad will be shown above. Now people over here assume that to overpower someone else bid they have to pay more. Now you are thinking that I have to pay like $1.01 to get the first position. No, I'm going to tell you the formula with which you can get it over here, and that is quality score and how you can work it. So basically that slot is $5 per hour. Okay, now you create a very high relevant ad which is very interesting, very personalized, very relevant and attractive and catchy with small set of keywords, optimized campaign. Now what you are happening is that for ad position 1, optimized quality score and high CTR ad running, you are running high CTR optimized quality score ad. Now what is happening is you are paying 0.5 for each click, but you are getting 11 clicks. So if you multiply 0.5 with 11, it's going to be $5.5 per hour. So if you ask me who is paying more to Google for the same ad position, this guy is paying $1 and he is paying 0.5, half of the amount of the other, but his ad is shown above this one and it's become ad position 2. Why? Because this one is generating Google $5.5 and this ad is generating $5 per hour. So even by paying half the amount of a competitor, you are being shown above. That is the game of quality score. So understand these important aspects and then you can win with Google. I hope you like this video, and in case if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. And in case if you want to hire me and my team to work with you guys, the link is in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.